All right, guys, today's super quick video is going to be the one I promised y'all a while ago and have not gotten around to yet. Again, super quick, not even pulling out of the garage. This is going to be covering LED low beams and high beams and kind of dispelling the old myths about not being able to replace halogen bulbs in a refractory housing with LEDs. As you can clearly tell, it's not that dark, but you're going to have to just take my word on a few things. So first of all, let's just cut the lights on so you can get a glance at them. Compared to the halogen bulbs, they have a nice look. They give off the LED light. You already know what to expect with that. One thing that's really great is that with modern LED tech, the beams still stay nice and crisp. You've got a very sharp cutoff line at the top. I've just given myself an idea. I'm going to go ahead and put my garage door down so for what it's worth, even though we're extremely close to the garage, you can see the distinct cutoff of the lights. So that's very close up, but nonetheless, that same hard top line still maintains itself. Then going on to the brights, you've got a nice solid beam. Again, you can see we're right up against this garage door. So this is not meant to, be conceived as anything more than what it is. It's just a simple way to look at how they look in the housing. And again, you can see that sharp cutoff. A lot of times with the old old LEDs, you wouldn't be able to just drop them into a refractory housing. They would look like they'd have a very disheveled beam pattern. You wouldn't be able to see very well. That has been remedied by the fact that a lot of LED replacement bulbs, excuse me, the halogen filament will sit at a certain point. So if the bulb's overall length from where it protrudes out of the housing is, say, 1 inch long, you'll have a little piece of the twisted filament. If your LED diodes, the emitters of light, sit in the same area and the post that they sit on is narrow enough that it doesn't cross over in front of where the beam reflects itself, then you have a valid replacement. So you can't see inside the Tacoma low beams with the way they're set up, but you can see the high beam there and you can see the emitter right there. That sits in the exact same place that the halogen filament would. So again, trying to keep this under 3 minutes. We're almost there, but if you do your research and get proper LEDs, you can drop in low beams and high beams, and at some point I'll probably do the blinkers and the DRLs. That's all. Thanks guys for watching.